Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add clock widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just tap on widgets. After that scroll down and look for clock option. Here it is. Then just tap on clock, and that's it. Here you can see 4 kinds of clock widget, and you can add any clock widget on the home screen as you like. You can add analog or digital clock widget. If you want to add this analog clock widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And it's done. You can see clock widget has been added successfully on the home screen. If you want to customize your clock widget, just touch and hold it, then tap on the settings option. And here it is. From here you can customize your clock widget. You can change your analog clock style from here, and you can choose any clock style as you like. Also from here you can change your clock widget background. You can choose white or black color, and from here you can increase or decrease your clock widget background transparency, and you can set any level as you want. Then tap on done, and it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add clock widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.